Welcome to ChatGenie. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of adding product remarks. These remarks provide customers with key insights, highlight features, address common questions, and enhance the overall shopping experience, helping them make informed purchasing decisions. Let's dive in! On your dashboard, go to Categories and Products. Select Products. If you want to enable product remarks for a new product, click the Add button. Fill out the form with the product details, then proceed to the next step. If you want to enable product remarks for an existing product, click the Edit button of the product where you want to add product remarks, then proceed to the next step. Scroll down until you see the Add Remarks field for this product section. Click the tick box to enable the product remarks. Provide a label for the remarks, then click the Submit button, and you're all set. Sample Customer Experience. Once the product remarks is enabled for a product, the customers will see an input line for the remarks in the View Product page. Product remarks in orders. You can find the remarks for the product in the following: email notification, order tracker. With these configurations in place, customers will gain valuable product insights, see highlighted features, and find answers to common questions. This will improve their overall shopping experience and assist them in making well-informed purchasing decisions. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact our support team. Stay updated by regularly visiting our website and following us, chatgenie.ph, for the latest updates and discussions.